Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today I am back with another review video, and this is something that I am super pumped about. I have been taking these products for well over a month now, and I am so excited with the results, and I have to share. So it is a brand called U Beauty. They have 4 products, and I'm obsessed with all of them. So if that's something you want to see, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start by saying I saw someone taking this, an influencer I watch, Angie Belmar. She was taking it and talking about this product. And I had looked at the website and actually talked to a friend of mine, and she actually was taking two of their products, and she loved it. So I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a try. So the 4 main products, one they are currently out of stock, they're going to be back in December, is a probiotic pixie stick. Now, I already know, you guys, it tastes like candy. It tastes like a legit pixie stick. I ran out of mine and I did not restock in time before they sold out. That is how amazing they are. And they won't come back until December because they weren't expecting everyone to it blew up, right? Okay. It's like a little pixie stick. You just rip it open, pour it right in your mouth, dissolves like that. I take it with a swig of water and you're done. And it tastes like a candy, like a peach, kind of like a peach ring. Like if you know those peach ring candies, that's what it tastes like. Obsessed with it. The other product I was obsessed with is this purple Fit Trim stuff, or like purple tea. I call it my purple tea. Energy. It is a fat burner, so it'll help also control appetite cravings. So I love it for the afternoon when I tend to snack, and I tend to just kind of snack aimlessly as I'm working or as I'm doing stuff. This helps control that snacking urge because you don't actually feel hungry or anything. It gives you focused energy. I took it yesterday when I was in a slump. I took it and I was able to sit and focus on a task for a solid 30 minutes without getting really interrupted, which was super productive. It does have, let's see, it's just one little scoop. This is my second bottle, so I already have an empty one of this, which says a lot. Increase your energy, controls appetite, and burns fat. It is just a powder. I don't know if you can see, but it's just like a powder. It has a little scooper. You pour it into some water. Love it. Love this product. And it tastes amazing. It is a mixed berry, but it tastes amazing. I actually take that and I mix it with this Beauty Collagen. So obviously it's just a optimized collagen peptides for your hair, skin, and nails. Let's see, it says hair promotes stronger, radiant hair, skin, increases your tone, hydration, firmness, reduces cellulite. Ladies, you already know. Nails provides faster length. I did my nails a few weeks ago, or a week ago, and it's already time to grow it out. My nails are longer, stronger. Obsessed. It is an orange flavor. They also have an unflavored one, so I guess you could say they have 5 products. They have an unflavored that I know a lot of people do in their coffee, but these two mixed together taste like a tropical fruit punch. It tastes like I'm on an island somewhere on vacation. It tastes amazing. Almost like a tropical I don't even know, some tropical drink without the alcohol. But these two are amazing. Then I just got another one of their products. This one, I was super skeptical to try. Just because, I don't know, because it's a green, right? It is their Earth Greens. It is a stick. So it comes like this. So it comes like this. And it's just greens. It has a ton. If you read the ingredients list, all of this is just greens. Greens and fruits and minerals and anyway, so it'll help support your immune system, boost antioxidants, help with digestion. Just get your daily dose of greens. But I was super skeptical about this. Everyone swore it tasted like pineapple. Everyone was like, it doesn't taste like greens. I have tried greens in the past. I have celery juiced. I have tried greens. Ugh, I can never take it. The people that can go to Jamba Juice and take the wheatgrass shots, bless your soul, because I can't. So if you're like me and you are like, huh, I can't do it, this will be your friend. I actually mix this. I mix all three together, which you would think would taste gnarly. It looks gnarly. Like, that's what's in this cup. I don't know if you can see without spilling. It looks like, here. Looks gnarly. Tastes amazing. When I tell you, I am the type of person, I will order a coffee and it tastes gross. I will not drink it. I will throw it away. I don't care how much it was. I will not choke down anything. Like, I cannot do the drinks if it tastes nasty. If I want to try, like, going out on a date night, I try a cocktail, I don't like it. Nope. I don't care that it was $12. I'm not drinking it because it's disgusting. So when I say that I take this daily and have been, the greens I've only been adding in for about a week and a half now. These I've been taking for like well over a month. But the greens, I snagged on a sale that they were having and I wanted to try it. So tried it, snagged it, loved it. We'll be reordering. I actually just added a subscription because it's actually cheaper if you order in a subscription. Tastes amazing, looks gnarly, but it tastes so good. It legit tastes like pineapples. You cannot taste the greens, which seems in disbelief. Like, I thought everyone was lying. I was like, bull, I'll try it for myself. I will be the judge because I am super picky. I have stuck with this. Even my husband was like, you actually are drinking that? I'm like, I know, because it's so good. I will like chug this for lunch. I will have it around 11, 12 o'clock, drink it, and I'll be good. Like, I don't feel hungry come 2, 3 o'clock. I don't feel hungry. I have energy. I got my daily dose of greens, got my collagen for my hair, skin, and nails. My skin is starting to look better. It's starting to look clearer, more youthful, more radiant. My nails are growing. Just all the benefits, but it actually tastes good. So, so those are all my pros. My only con is it is on the pricier side. But for me, if I'm actually going to drink it and it does what it's supposed to, it does what it says it's going to do, it actually tastes good, it has health benefits for me, I will get it. It is cheaper if you do a subscription. Plus, I reached out to the company and got a discount code for you guys. So if you want to try it yourself, you can use my code. I will drop it link in the description. I'll put it right here. And you can use it for an extra discount. And depending on when you see this, they do have sales going on throughout different points in the year. So be on the lookout for that. But basically, like, this is amazing. Like, they taste good. They work. I highly recommend them. I've told all my friends and family. I actually gave my friend one of these to try for herself because she already has the purple tea. I talk about it all the time. I actually need to reorder more of the collagen because I'm almost out. So sad. This is my second. I'm like, whatever, 8 days into this. I highly recommend. You said the main points is this is basically your daily dose of greens, boost your immune system, boost the antioxidants, all that. This is going to be your energy, fat burner, control your appetite, kind of purple tea. And this is going to be your collagen for your hair, skin, nail growth, all of that. Mix it together and you have a beautiful beauty cocktail, minus the alcohol. Beautiful beauty drink, and that actually tastes good, which makes you want to take it, which is the key. Consistency. You're not going to see a dramatic change in one day. Consistency, but the only way you can be consistent is if you actually enjoy taking it, right? So I have been consistent with this. I love it. The probiotic, I plan on restocking, but I did 30 days of that, and that really helped control my gut health and bloat. So that's super exciting. So like I said, go check them out. I will link them down below. I will put my discount code with it so you guys can go check it out down below. If you are a person that you will not drink things, you cannot choke things down let me know, because I can't be alone in that. And like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.